Hi everyone, welcome to our channel KN Academy. Let's talk about these some hirings which is very important, and in this video I will talk about three different hiring which is from the Apple and guys KPMG and CodeLogix. These three hirings are very important, but first I am going to discuss about one direct hiring opportunity where you can get the response in 5 minutes. Quickly you can apply, and quickly if you are shortlisted then you can get the result immediately basis. Okay, what you have to do, you just have to apply for the jobs. You can get shortlisted if you are shortlisted. If you are not shortlisted, directly they will send the rejection pop-up like you are not shortlisted. Then your interview will be scheduled. Okay, so Good Space way to crack the interview in 20 minutes. So one company, that is Good Space AI, they are hiring for a product design intern and 0 to 1 year of experience, and this is for Noida location. CTC would be 1.2 to 3 lakhs. Okay, what is the responsibility, what is the requirement? Bachelor degree in design, computer science or related field, 0 to 1 year of experience in the user interface. See guys, if you have relevant skill set in the UI field, UI or UX design, then you can get shortlisted from this one. So suppose I don't have any experience and I already applied. If you see, I am not shortlisted in this one. Okay, so I already applied but I am not shortlisted. So guys, you just have to click on apply, and quickly basis you can definitely get the rejection or selection made, and an interview will schedule directly. Next hiring, that is from the Apple. So Apple, one of the biggest company, product based company, hiring for the software engineer currently, and this is totally for freshers guys who can apply in this one. Pursuing a graduate or master degree, graduating in the year of 24 or 25. Okay, this is the main criteria that you can clearly see. Okay, graduate in 24 and 25 batch students can apply. Excellent problem solving skills you should have. Java, Python, C++, SQL knowledge you should have. Degree you should have in the majors of the CS, CE, EC and IS branch or IT branch. So different branch के स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास रिलेवेंट इंटर्नशिप का एक्सपीरियंस है ना, तो भी आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, जो आपके लिए एडवांटेज यहाँ पे रहने वाला है. अब मैं बात करूंगी एक और हायरिंग के बारे में, डेट इज फ्रॉम द StockX. दे आर हायरिंग फॉर द एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर, बट लिटिल बिट एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस हायरिंग, एटलीस्ट 1 to 2 years. सो गाइज, अगर आपके पास यहाँ पे फुल स्टैक में नॉलेज है ना, तो आपके लिए काफी एडवांटेज हो सकता है. अगर आपका रिज्यूम यहाँ पे शॉर्टलिस्ट होना चाहे तो आप भी यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, बट इफ यू हैव एनी रिलेवेंट स्किल देन ओनली यू कैन अप्लाई. ओके, अदरवाइज आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस तो होना ही चाहिए. सो यू कैन अप्लाई इन दिस वन. अब देखो, केपीएमजी की जो हायरिंग है वो डिफरेंट हायरिंग के बारे में बात करूंगा. अभी जो हायरिंग डाली गई थी वो डिफरेंट हायरिंग थी. अभी वाली जो हायरिंग होने वाली वो है एसोसिएट कंसल्टेंट की, एंड दिस इज फॉर डेटा गवर्नेंस. ओके, इसमें आपके बी के स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, एंड यू हैव टू अप्लाई बिफोर 25th of July. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम पोस्टिंग दिस वीडियो लेट नाइट, बिकॉज you just have to apply before 25. Deadline is 25/7/2025. You can clearly see. So very quick, you have to take the decision. Next hiring, that is direct test hiring opportunity from the L'Oreal group. Okay, so L'Oreal sustainability challenge is there, where you just have to create a team. You can apply in this one, and you can attend this hiring challenge. There will be different phases and pre-placement interviews also they are providing, and there will be no shortlisting. Next hiring, that is from the PhonePe. As a engineer intern you are going to apply. What is the criteria? Currently pursuing a degree in computer science, Linux system knowledge you should have, AWS knowledge you should have, then you can definitely apply as an engineer intern in this one. Next from the Honeywell hiring for the system engineer. This is for Bangalore location. You must have bachelor's degree you should have in the technical discipline, Python programming language, C# programming language knowledge you should have. This is also technical hiring. Next hiring from the Jetara.ai, you can apply as a Manage Stack developer or Flutter developer. Both you can apply in this one also. So these are the some important hiring opportunities guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.